Welcome back, friends. Previously, in chapter number 8, we completed question number 1 to 7 of exercise 8.3. Today, we will continue exercise 8.3 with question number 8. So, here question number 8 is find the amount and compound interest on 10,000 for 1.5 year at 10% per annum compounded half yearly. So what is the first statement? It is compounded half yearly. Principal value is 10,000. Time period N is 1.5 year and N rate of interest is 10%. And if it is compounded half yearly, then your time period that is divided into half year. So 1 half year means 2 half year and already 1 half year means total 3 half year. Rate of interest that is divided by 2. So this is 5% per half year. Would this interest be more than the interest he would get if it is compounded annually? So here you need to find also if it is compounded annually. Now if it is compounded annually, then your N and R will remain same. But if you continue with N, 1.5 year as an exponent, then you cannot solve the example. So here we need to find for a compounded annually, 1 year compound interest and half year simple. So remember this step. So first we will find the compounded half year. Compounded half year. If it is compounded half yearly, then our principal value, that is 10,000. Rate of interest 10% per annum, it means 5% per half year. And R, it is N, 1.5 year, it means 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. Multiply by 2, so it is 3 half year. Okay, so now we write equation. Amount is equal to P 1 plus R divided 100 raised to. Our principal value is 10,000. 1 rate of interest is 5 divided 100 raised to 3. Now 10,000. Here we can cancel out this. So 21 is 20 plus 1. 21 by 20 raised to 3. So 10,000 multiply 21 3 times, divide 20 3 times. Here 3 0 will be cancelled out. 5. If you multiply 21, 21, 21 and 5 and divide it with 4, you will get 1 5. It is 1156 7.21. So this is amount after 3 half year. Okay, so you can find the compound interest. Amount minus principal value. Amount is 1157.25. Our principal is 10,000. So what is the interest? 1,567.25. So this is compound interest when it is compounded half year. We can find the compound interest when it is compounded annually. So let's find. So when it is compounded annually, our principal value is 10,000. Rate of interest is 10% per annum and will be 1 year because here we are finding the compound interest for 1 year and then simple interest for a half year. So P amount is equal to P 1 plus R divided 100 raised to N. Now write the values. P that is 10,000. 1 rate of interest is 10 divided 100 raised to 1 because N is 1. Here we can cancel out this one. 10,000. 10 means 10 plus 1. 11 by 10. 1 0 cancels, so it is 1 1 0 0 0. So 11,000, that is interest, amount after 1 year. So simple interest will be, compound interest will be 11,000 minus 1,000. How much interest we pay? That is 1,000 rupees as an interest for a first year. Now simple interest for a half year. So simple interest, that is PRN, divide 100. Now what will be our principal value for half year? That is amount of the previous year. So what is the amount of previous year? That is 11,000. Rate of interest is 10, n is 1 by 2, divide 5. So it is 5, you see. 550 rupees, that is the interest of the half year. 1,000, that is interest for 1 year. So compound interest is 1,000 plus 550, so that is 1550. Now you can see this is the interest for when it is compounded half yearly, and this is interest when it is compounded annually. So which one is more? So compounded half yearly is more. So interest in compounded half yearly is more. Okay, so this way we can solve the example when it is compounded half yearly and when it is compounded annually. Remember, when it is compounded half yearly, you need to divide the rate of interest by 2 and n is multiplied. And when this kind of value is given, 1 and 1 half year and it is compounded annually, then first find the compound interest for 1 year and simple interest for half year. Now example 9. Find the amount which Ram will get on rupees 4,096 if he gives it for 18 months at 12.5% per annum interest being compounded half yearly. So it is compounded half yearly, means your rate of interest will change and n will change. Now here n is 18 months. So divide it into 6 months, 6 months and 6 months. Then how many parts we get? 3 parts. So 18n is 18 months. That is 3 half years. How? 6 plus 6, that is 1 year, and after 6, that is 18 months. Or you can write 18 by 12 year multiplied by 2, because we know that if you want to find that it is compounded half year, then multiply year by 2. So 6, so that is 3 half. Okay, your rate of interest is 12 1 by 2%. Now rate of interest will be divided by 2. So first convert this mixed fraction into improper. So 12 2 is 24 plus 1. 25 by 2%. Now we need to divide it by 2 because it is compounded annually. So 25 by 2 divided by 2. So that is 25. 2 multiplied 2, that is 25 by 4% per half year. This is 25 by 2 per annum, means per year, and this is 25 by 4, 25 by 4%, that is per half year. Principal value will remain same, that is 4096. Now we have value of n, that is 3 half year, rate of interest, that is 25 by 4, and at p, that is 4096. So we can use the equation p 1 plus r divide 100. 4096. Rate of interest is 25 by 4 divide 100 raised to 3. 4096. Now this 4 will multiply with 100, so it is 1 plus 25 by 400 raised to 3. 25 multiplies 16, that is 400. So 4096. 16 ones are 16 plus 1, 17 by 16 raised to 3. So 4096. 17 multiplies 17 multiplies 17 3 times, and 16 multiplies 16 multiplies 16. also 3 times. Now 16 if you multiply you will get 4096. So multiply 17 you will get 4913. So this is amount when it is compounded half yearly for 4096. Rate of interest is 12.5% and N is 80. Now next question. The population of place increased to 54,000 in 2003 at the rate of 5% per annum. So this is a twisted question. So here what is the statement? Population of places increased to 54,000 means 54,000 is an increased value, not the original value. This is the value after increase. Okay, means amount is given in 2003. Find the population in 2001. So before increase, what is the original value? Here you need to find the population in 2001. Means before increase, what is the value? So here that 54,000 will be our amount. And what is N? From 2001 to 2002. So that is 2 years. And rate of interest is remain same 5% per annum. Clear? Be careful because it is written that 54,000 is an increased value, means that will be our amount. And you need to find the value before increase, means principal value you need to find. So what is the principal? So A R divided 100 raised to N. Now write the values. So here amount is 54,000. P we need to find. Rate of interest is 5 divided 100. Raised to 2. Here we can cancel out this. So we get 5400 is equal to P 21 so 20 plus 1 21 by 20 raised to 2. Now here 5400 is equal to P 21 multiplied 2 times and 20 divided 2. Now, if we want to find the variable P, then take this denominator to the numerator in a multiplication and multiplication become denominator. So, here we get 5400 multiply 20 multiply 20 divide 21 20. On left side we have principal. So, P will, if you solve this, you will get 4897 9.59. This is approximately 48980. Okay, so this way you can find the value before increase. So that is 48,908. Now next one. What is the population in 2005? Now in 2003 it is 54,000. So in 2005 it is again increase. So for this our principal value is 54,000. After 2 years means what is the increase after 54,000 in 2 years? So rate of interest is same 5% per annum and now N will be 2 years. Amount is equal to P 1 plus R divided 100 raised to N. So here our principal value is 54,000. 1 rate of interest is 5 divided 100 raised to 2. We can cancel this one. So 20 ones are 20 plus 1 21. Raised to 2. So it is 5400 multiply 21 multiply 21 divide 20 20. So if you solve this you will get 59535. So this is increase after 2 years and this is the increase. This is the value before increase. So this way you can solve the example 10. Now next example. In laboratory, the count of bacteria in a certain experiment was increased at the rate of 2.5% per hour. Find the bacteria at the end of 2 hours if the count was initially 5,06,000. So here 2.5% that is rate of interest per hour and here you need to find for 2 hours. So here our R will be 5,06,000. You need to find after 2 hours means and will be 2. Rate of interest is 2.5. So here we can write P, that is 5,06,000. Rate of interest is 2.5%. Here you can write this 25 by 10% per hour. And that is 2 hours. Now we write the equation. Amount is equal to P 1 plus R divided 100 raised to N. So 5,06,000. 1 rate of interest is 25 by 10 divided by 100 raised to 2. 506,000 1 plus 25 by 1000. 10 is multiplied with 100, so it is 1000. 25 4s are 100, so it is 40 in a divide. 5,06,000. Now 40 ones are 40 plus 1, 41 divided 40 raised to 2. So here we will get 5,06,000 multiply 41 multiply 41 divide 40 and so if you solve this you will get 5316.25. So that is approximately 5,31,660. Clear? So this is the approximate value. Now next one. A scooter was bought at ₹42,000. Its value depreciated at the rate of 8% per annum. Find its value after 1 year. So here we need to find the value after 1 year. Depreciated means decrease in a price, and we already saw this kind of example in an example of that is given in a textbook. So decrease means your equation will be changed 1 minus R divided. Okay. So we here our principal value is 42,000. Rate of interest is 8% per annum and is 1 year. Now amount is equal to P 1 minus R divided 100. Why 1 minus R? Because price is decreasing. So 42,000. 1 rate of interest is minus 8 by 100 raised to 1. Now here 100 ones are 100 minus 8, that is 92 by 100. So multiply 92 with 42, you will get 38,640. So this is the value after 1 year when it is decreased at the rate of 8%. So please remember when it is a decreasing, price is decreasing, your equation will be changed. Instead of plus